this tutorial we are explaining a small concept in while loop. Okay, that is nothing but infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop concept we are discussing in this tutorial. The name itself is suggesting, right? It infinite. Okay, it is infinite means never ending. Okay, this is a never ending process. Okay, so infinite loop means it is also a loop, but that loop never breaks down. Okay, that loop never breaks down, and it will keep on, okay, keep on satisfying the condition, and it will keep on executing. Okay, those kind of loops are called as infinite loop. Let us explain. Okay, let me explain what is this infinite loop for one or two examples. Okay, so while mm, let me take an example, and I'm taking as a number. Okay, I'm taking a I value as 0. Okay, I'm taking a I value as 0, and I'm taking another number called as 5. Okay, I'm taking a number called as 5. Okay, so while I less than number. Okay, while I less than number, so print, for now you just print okay, print I value. Okay, I also print I value. See, in the first, okay, let us see how this is called as infinite loop. So in the first iteration, what is my I value? 0. 0 less than number value is 5, so that is what? True. That is what? True. So what's happening here? I value 0 is getting printed. Okay, in the second iteration, again it is 0 less than 5, I value is true, again 0 is getting printed. Okay, again 0 is getting printed. Third iteration also same scenario, again it is 0. Fourth iteration also 0. Fifth iteration also 0. And every time, okay, in each and every time this loop is keep on, keep on returning true only, and this zeros are getting keep on printing. Okay, these are just printing like that. Okay, these are just printing like that. Then when in this scenario, when it will stop? Is there any situation where this loop will stop? No, it never. Okay, never, this loop never ever stops, because this condition won't get this. Okay, this condition won't be false anymore, and this condition, this loop won't break again. So this loop will keep on executing. That's why these type of loops are called as infinite loop. So in real time, okay, in real time, whenever we are writing code for a Python project, so it's, it's like we should be mindful about this infinite loop. Okay, if we are writing a loop with the help of while loop, then we should be very cautious that it is not going into a infinite loop. Okay, if we are putting our loop as an infinite loop, then our project will never ends. Okay, that we won't get the desired output, so we should be very careful about this. Okay, let me run and show you how this will work. See, if you see this, if you see at this bottom, it is keep on executing, so it will never stops. Okay, it never stops. Okay, that's why this is called as an infinite loop. Okay, that is the reason why this is called as an infinite loop. This will never stops, so we should be very cautious. Now in the same way, let me explain one more small example. While true. Okay, while true, print of, let me take a variable called as a number. Initially it is 1. Okay, initially value of a number is nothing but 1. So num, then what I'm doing, I'm incrementing I'm incrementing number, okay, plus equal to 1. Okay, I'm incrementing this number value with 1. So in the first iteration it is 1, so 1 will get printed. So in the next iteration, I value will become, number value will become 2, so 2 will get printed, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So it's like keep on executing. Same way number will be keep on incrementing. But this condition, true is always true. Okay, true is always true, no one can change it. So this is also another example for infinite loop. So see, it is keep on incrementing, and we can see all the numbers. Okay, all the numbers present in the world are getting printed. Okay, so in this way, again we can understand about infinite loop. Okay, Now you guys might have got this question, like if you are running into an infinite loop, then how can we deal with this? How can we how can we break this loop? Okay, to break this loop we have a special concept called as break, but as of now we are not in this tutorial, we are not discussing about that break. Maybe in the upcoming tutorial we will get to know what is break. That time you will get to know how to handle this, okay, how to break this infinite loop by using the help of break statement. But as of now, this is an infinite loop. I hope all of you understand what is an infinite loop. Thank you so much. Bye.